Hi, this is Hannah, and this is my P4 demo. My application title is PuzzleLit, and the main purpose of my application is to allow users to solve logic puzzles and have their puzzle stats recorded if they are registered and logged in. So this is the home page. It presents the user with their main options, which is either to start playing as a guest, to log in, or to register. If they click join, then it'll take them to the registration page, which uses server-side validation. But in the interest of time, I will just log in as Jamal. Alright, so when a user either registers or logs in, they are brought to their profile page, which lists all their information which is in the database. And this also allows them to change their information. So say I want to change my username from Jamal123 to Jamal1234, I can change it and then click Update Profile, and it'll update my profile. So to prove this is working, I can go to another page and then go back to my profile page and see that my username is still what I changed it to. I can also change my password with a change password form, and I can also view my stats. So I can view my stats by puzzle, and also within that puzzle by either attempt number, the amount of time taken on the puzzle, or the number of moves taken. So say for the river crossing puzzle, I want to sort from fastest to slowest time. I click sort, and I can see that indeed I got just the river crossing puzzle, and in minutes, fastest to slowest time. I can also sort by another puzzle, in this case the endangered miners puzzle, and say I want to sort from most to least moves. Click sort, and I will see that again I just got the puzzle that I specified, and I had said most to least moves, so most to least moves. I can also see my stats at a glance, so total puzzle solved and the amount of the fastest time I took to solve a puzzle, and the least number of moves to solve a puzzle. I can also delete my stats by a puzzle. So say I want to delete just the endangered miners, I clicked delete, it'll tell me that it's deleted. And if I try to view the endangered miners puzzle, it says I have no stats. However, I did not delete the river crossing puzzle. Next, if I want to play another game, I can go to the puzzles page, which lists all the puzzles, and then I can click on a puzzle if I want to play it. So for the endangered miners puzzle, I click start. I move my characters onto the mine shaft and click traverse tunnel to have them move across. And as you can see, it's recording my steps on the right, and it is also recording and calculating the amount of time spent in the mine, because the purpose of this puzzle is to try to get all your players across in 15 minutes. And these minutes are seen on their shirts, and the directions are explained on the left. So, hooray! All the miners escaped safely. If I want to see that this was actually recorded, I can go back to my stats, sort by the endangered miners, and see that, yes, my attempt was recorded. Then I can go to high scores and see if I got on the high scores board. And I did. Jamal12345 is right there because I sorted by endangered miners and fastest time. I can also sort other things like the river crossing puzzle and least number of moves. So as you can see, fastest move was 7 moves, and then it goes up to 8. I can also click on a user's username to view their information. So as you can see, Jamal's information is there, and a lot of the other randomly generated people are also there. And then I can also log out, and it'll log me out, and then I can continue playing as a guest if I wanted to, but it wouldn't record any of my stats because I'm not logged in. And that's about it. I didn't have a big problem with anything, but dealing with AJAX calls was new, so I'm glad that I got that figured out. And then as far as other things I might want to add, I would love to add more puzzles because I really enjoyed creating the puzzles and working with both JavaScript and PHP. And probably, different puzzles would have different data, so creating different sorts of puzzles. And that's it. Thanks!